You've probably seen it. Someone online clicks a few buttons, and just like that, they made $500 in 10 minutes. Looks easy, right? But here's the truth. Over 90% of all people who try day trading lose money. Not because the market is rigged, but because they never learn how to start the right way. The difference between the ones who lose and the ones who win comes down to one thing: preparation. Where you start, how you learn, and the systems you build before you ever risk a single dollar. So if you're serious about learning how to trade for real, no gambling, no guessing, then this video is for you. We'll break down what to trade, what tools to use, and how to build a professional foundation that actually lasts. Let's dive in. First things first, what is day trading, really? Day trading isn't investing. You're not buying and holding stocks for months or years. You're opening and closing positions within the same trading day. No overnight risk. You're looking to profit from short-term price movements. That means your focus isn't on company earnings, it's on price action, volume, volatility, and timing. Think of it like surfing waves. You're not trying to own the ocean, you're just riding one that's right in front of you. You'll use technical analysis, charts, indicators, and patterns, all to make decisions based on data, not emotion. And here's the real secret. Day trading is a skill-based business. You can't fake it. You earn consistency through repetition, discipline, and execution. But here's the kicker. Before you ever place a trade, your setup can determine your success or failure. So let's build it right. Step 1. Choose a regulated broker. Firms like Thinkorswim, Interactive Brokers. Avoid those flashy offshore sites promising 1,000 times leverage. Regulation equals protection. Step 2. Pick a stable trading platform. You want fast order execution, clear charts, and smooth workflow. The goal? Zero friction. Your focus should be on the trade, not on the technology. Step 3. Set up your workspace. Dual monitors, high-speed internet, and a quiet place to think. Lag kills trades faster than bad analysis. Step 4. Practice in paper trading mode. This is your training ground. If you can't make fake money consistently, you won't make real money either. All right, you've got the tools, you've got the screens, and the broker, but without a plan, you're just a tourist with a ticket to Wall Street Disneyland. This is where professionals separate themselves. They don't trade hunches, they trade systems. Step 1. Master technical analysis. Learn candlestick patterns, support and resistance, moving averages, and trend lines. Don't try to learn everything at once. Pick 1 or 2 setups like breakouts or reversals and get laser focused on those. Learn those inside and out first, then move on to something else. Step 2. Master risk management. Always plan for a loss first. Never risk more than 1 to 2% of your capital on a trade, and use stop losses to protect yourself. The goal isn't huge profits in the beginning, it's survival. Step 3. Journal everything. Every trade, every mistake, every win. That's how you turn random results into measurable progress. When you're just starting out, keep it simple. Trade 1 stock, 1 pattern, 1 time frame. Your goal for the first 6 months isn't to get rich, it's to get good. You want repetition. You want to be good at managing risk, good at executing trades, and good at staying calm under pressure. Day trading isn't a lottery. It's a business. And like any business, the stronger your foundation, the longer you will last. If you're ready to take that next step, I'll personally help you get started right away. We'll work together to choose the right broker, charting platform, and scanning package that fits your goals and needs. We'll also design a trading plan and process that's built around you, your schedule, your risk tolerance, and your personality. Every trader is different, and there's no one-size-fits-all system. What matters is building a structure that fits you so that you can trade with confidence and consistency. If that sounds like the kind of guidance you've been looking for, head over to Market Pro Trading. Join my community where I help traders like you set up, learn, and execute with clarity. Remember, success in trading isn't about speed. It's about structure, process, and discipline. Stay strong, stay focused, and trade smart. I'll see you in the next video.